guys, welcome back with me, Cynthia Persiskala Hihin, and this time I'm going to tell you my opinions about one important question. The question is, wearing surgical mask in public could help slow COVID-19 pandemic. What do you think? Coronavirus infection, which is also known as COVID-19 disease, originates from animals. This can be transmitted to humans and between humans. Coronavirus transmissions from human to human can occur through sprinkling of saliva, surface of COVID-19, which is issued when sneezing, chewing, or even talking. Therefore, the use of mask is recommended as an effort to prevent the spread of the coronavirus because it can dispel the splash of the saliva. Actually, must wear a mask when leaving the house, but we also both know that masks are difficult to get right now. That's the reality, right? The main factor that makes health authorities ask the general public, especially those who are healthy, to not have to wear masks is because of the limited number of masks themselves, said Alan So saying, okay. Because of the limitation, medical personnel are indeed and must be prioritized to obtain masks. We cannot act selfishly by buying masks when medical staff need them more. On the other hand, the scarcity of masks encourages people in various countries to make their own clothes masks. But we also need to be vigilant and cautious. Even if you wear a cloth mask when you leave the house, don't think that you are safe from the threat of COVID-19. Cloth masks, others alternative masks, cannot provide as effective protection. The main driver of the pandemic is still believed to be sick people with symptoms of changing and sneezing, which is expose the surface or others. Why should you wear masks? Recent studies direct everyone to have cancer. Those who are healthy need to use masks to prevent transmission of new coronavirus infections. A recent study by the Permanent Commissions of Communicable Diseases and 21 century threats in the United States say the coronavirus can be transmitted through conversation and normal breathing with exposed people. The conclusion of the study, published on the Academy of Science Engineering Medicine website and answering the White House official question, explicitly state that the coronavirus can spread only through conversation and breathing. After confirmation from the scientists, the United States even now recommends that all citizens wear masks. A renewal of the apple submitted 2 days ago. Masks are needed for everyone so they don't infect each other of the coronavirus. There is a high chance of transmission occurring when sick people interact with healthy people and healthy people interact with others too. The use of mask is also required associated with splash of saliva or droplets. Recent research shows changing and sneezing can make splashes of saliva go further than previously true. From observation using high-speed cameras and other sensors, it can be seen that the distribution of droplets in the weather from people changing or sneezing is not only limited to one meter before finally falling to the surface. The reason, according to him, particles exhaled through changing or sneezing are gases that have high momentum that can be carried over long distance, including indoors. Borreville explained in certain situations, especially in poorly ventilated room, wearing a mask is appropriate because it will reduce the risk of contracting disease that attacks the respiratory tract. When dealing with an infected person, for example, masks can help divert their breathing and keep the virus away from our mouth. So I think it's important to use the mask when you want to go in public place because it can protect yourself from the coronavirus. And remember to use correct masks because the selection of the right mask also support your safety in a crowded situation. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all from me and bye bye.